Hi guys, I have an unboxing for y'all today. Yay! I haven't done that in a while, so today I got an Ipsy Glam for the first time, but it's not because I paid for the subscription, honey. I don't have the money. But somebody I follow on Instagram had like a deal or something. I don't know. She has a Ipsy Glam, the subscription, and I don't know, she was giving away like a special link where we can subscribe for a month and it'll be like a free trial. Like for 1 month we get a bag for free. And I was like, okay, if it's free and I get to unsubscribe, then sure. And so I accepted. So this is why I have an Ipsy Glam today. So I'm not gonna keep doing unboxings of Ipsy Glam, so it's just this one. In case you probably don't care, but I don't know, just feel like sharing. So I haven't seen it a lot on Instagram, like I know what it is, people unbox it there, but still it's cool to unbox it myself as well. So yeah, so this is the Keep Growing box glam bag. Sorry, it's because BoxyCharm is a box, so I get confused, but yeah. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Okay, so I guess it tells you like stuff, tips, I don't know. That's cool. I love the colors, blue and green, daisies, my favorite colors, and flowers. This month was perfect for me. Oh, and the bag, like it's so cute. It's a makeup. Wow. Oh, never mind, this is a different bag. I've been seeing another bag. It's like a daisy bag. Never mind, my box is different. Oh well, yeah, anymore. I don't mind, but yeah. So it has products inside. I'm gonna open the first one. It's a Gerard Cosmetics Longwear Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick. I haven't worn Gerard since like I don't know, a few years back, and this is in the shade Bear It All. I've only tried their lipsticks, not liquid lipsticks, and it's so tiny. I'm not used to this. I'm used to like bigger lip products. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna open this. I've been wanting to try this one, and this shade exactly. It's like a mauve nude. Wow, I'm excited for this. So yeah. The next thing is I don't know what it is. Oh, an eyeliner pen, Lottie London AM 2 PM. Okay, you know I love eyeliners, so I'm gonna use this a lot too. Wow, they're so far being good. So, oh, an eyeshadow palette, Fresh Start, Complex Culture, Animal Test. Yeah, I haven't heard of this brand before, so this is pretty cool. I love trying new brands, and it's so tiny. It's good for having it in your purse or for travel. Ooh, it's so sleek, and I love the I don't really like these nude, like brown, but this brown is really pretty. Wow. Oh, Ida, it's so pretty. It's so tiny and cute. I love the shades too. It's just like too matte and too shimmer. Wow. Wow, Ipsy, I think I'm gonna subscribe to them one day. Not now, but okay. The last product, a nail polish. I love nail polish. Like, oh my gosh, this is exciting. I love this already. Okay, so ooh, it's like a black one or a purple one. I liked it. I used this color for fall, not now, but it's still pretty cool. It's We Are Fluid, and it's in the shade Desert Dawn. Sorry, I wake up and then I film right away, so I don't drink water or anything. So that's why I'm always like, well, yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the bag. Oh wait. Oh, another thing. Ooh, there's full-size products. I don't know, the shampoo and the hair conditioner. This is from the Rerum Natural. I don't know. This is new for me. I don't really use travel size hair products, but I may use this because this is lavender, the other lemongrass. I don't know, but I think that's it. Yeah, that is all. So yeah, I hope y'all like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.